If you're wondering whether CoConstruct or BuilderStorm is the better option for improving efficiency in your construction projects, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each software to help you decide which one will make your workflow more streamlined, and stick around till the end for a recommendation that might just be a game changer. Both CoConstruct and BuilderStorm are powerful platforms, but their approaches differ in key areas. First, let's talk about CoConstruct. CoConstruct is known for its user-friendly interface and impressive customization features. It's particularly suited for custom home builders and remodelers. The software offers a strong set of tools for project management, budgeting, and client communication. It also integrates with accounting software, making it easier to track finances without juggling multiple systems. Next thing, BuilderStorm is a competitor that offers solid project management tools too. BuilderStorm is simpler to use, with a focus on keeping everything in one place. Its project tracking, team collaboration, and document sharing tools are all intuitive, so smaller construction companies or contractors might prefer it for its straightforwardness. However, it doesn't have the same deep level of customization that CoConstruct offers, which can be a deal breaker for some businesses that need highly specialized features. Now, when it comes to customer support, CoConstruct shines with its personalized approach. They offer training and have a dedicated team to answer your questions, which is a great perk if you're new to construction software. On the flip side, BuilderStorm support is decent, but doesn't have the same reputation for one-on-one attention. Instead, it relies more on self-help guides and a more hands-off approach, which could be a downside if you need help quickly. The next thing to consider is pricing. CoConstruct is definitely on the more expensive side. It offers a tiered pricing model based on the features you need, which means you could end up paying for more than you use. BuilderStorm, in contrast, has a more straightforward and affordable pricing structure, which might appeal to smaller businesses or those just starting out in the construction industry. When it comes to mobile accessibility, both CoConstruct and BuilderStorm do offer apps to help you manage projects on the go. But CoConstruct's mobile version is often praised for being more robust and better suited for managing tasks, time tracking, and client updates while in the field. BuilderStorm's app works, but it's a bit more basic and can sometimes be slower to load, especially with larger projects. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the integration capabilities. CoConstruct integrates with a number of third-party software like QuickBooks, Xero, and others, making it a good choice for businesses that already rely on those tools. BuilderStorm is more limited in terms of integrations, so if you need specific connections to other software, CoConstruct might be the better choice. But here's the catch: while both of these platforms are solid, I've personally tried all of them, and if you're truly looking for a construction software that blends efficiency with cost-effectiveness, there's a better alternative out there. So, while CoConstruct and BuilderStorm offer valuable features, neither is perfect for everyone. CoConstruct is fantastic for larger operations that need high customization and integration, while BuilderStorm is ideal for those who want simplicity and affordability. But for those of you looking for something that brings the best of both worlds, I recommend checking out the free trial in the first link in the description below. By using the link, you'll get access to an exclusive trial that gives you more features and benefits than you'd find anywhere else. It's worth giving it a shot to see if it fits your needs better than CoConstruct or BuilderStorm. Trust me, it could be the game changer you're looking for.